Car Talk number 9. This is Everpreneur. Okay, so essentially I'm still watching the Tai Lopez, Russell Brunson interview. Russell Brunson is the founder of ClickFunnels, one of the best website and lead gen creators on the net. But anyways, regardless, their big talk today was talking about business partners and how the best business partner match is an introvert and an extrovert. So essentially makes total sense. I mean, you have one guy that's very introverted and kind of the behind the scenes, and one guy that's the extrovert, talking with clients, doing sales, talking about the product, wants to be there all the time, and those make the best match for business partners. So in the comments below, talk about your business partner experiences, positive, negative, what's worked for you, what hasn't worked, and let's get a discussion going on business partners. I think that some of the biggest billionaires in the world, all of them had business partners. A lot of them had business partners. I mean, you can definitely make it on your own, but a business partner does bring a certain dynamic and get the ball rolling a little bit quicker, and can definitely offset your weaknesses. And it's important to know your weaknesses. If you know your weakness is, on the coding level, if you're selling a software and you're not a coder, find a business partner that's a coder, and you can do the sales and the marketing and speak with the clients. So, Everpreneur, Car Talk number 9. Comment below, baby, and subscribe. For more on the Tai Lopez and Russell Brunson interview, check out the next videos I've just linked. You guys are going to love them. Have a good one.